Picture yourself in the 2024 GMC Sierra HD. This full-size Sierra HD delivers heavy-duty strength for the toughest towing and hauling jobs. Impressively maneuverable and available with a wide range of options like all-wheel drive and driver assist safety features. This handsomely styled workhorse is designed to maximize comfort, convenience, and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, V8 engine, lane departure warning, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors. Feel the confidence to take on the big jobs in this super strong Sierra HD. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.